Flooding is one of the most relentless and devastating forces on the planet, taking lives and leaving behind destruction. It's perhaps the most common of weather-related disasters in the United States. But what happens when your home is in the path of a flood? For one family in upstate New York, they've taken action to weather any storm that comes their way.
Hi, I'm Will Parker. I'm Regional Sales Manager for Liberty Pumps. We're here at the Morales family home in upstate New York installing a new battery backup system in their basement. So let's head down there.
I'm Araya.
I'm David.
And we're in upstate New York here to talk about Liberty Pumps. We've only been in the house for about 2 weeks, so we moved in fully last week, had all the moving boxes, the moving truck, and then we just started to get settled now, so it's a really new experience for us. We've been here for really short term. So when it came to thinking about a pump, this house, once we bought it, we realized this is the biggest purchase we'll probably ever make. And for us, I think knowing that we're protecting that purchase in any way that we can is something that we both really cared about. So when we heard about some friends and actually a couple of neighbors in this neighborhood that had flooding, as a result of rain and stuff, we really started to think about what do we need to do to protect the house, and a pump is one of the first things that we thought of.
The reason why a homeowner needs a sump pump is it collects all the groundwater from the foundation of the house. It protects your house from cracks in the foundation, from snow melt, from rainwater, and just general protection of the home from your belongings in the basement. So we're in upstate New York right now, and it's a very flood-prone area. There's multiple feet of snow, and when that snow melts in the spring, that saturates the ground. And when those spring rains come in on top of that, you're gonna get a lot of water around your foundation. And the sump pump is your protection from that water on your foundation. When you have a basement flood, depending what you have on your basement, if it's a finished basement with drywall and carpet and water gets in there, it can ruin everything that's in there, cause thousands of dollars of damage. If you put $100,000 in your basement and you're gonna protect it with a few $100s worth of sump pumps or water remediation practices.
If you have moisture stuck in your basement, mold is a huge issue. And I've actually had friends that have had to pay for services to get mold removed from the house. And once it's in the house, it's really difficult to fully get rid of it.
Worst case scenario is you just bought a brand new house and now you have mold in your house forever. It can make you sick, it can make your kids sick, it can make your dog sick. And the sump pump system is what's ultimately protecting you from that long-term damage. So we'll be installing one of our pre-assembled backup systems where you're going to be replacing your primary sump pump system as well as your backup system at once. It's our PC-237-442-10AI. We're here with Chris from PCS Plumbing and Heating, and he's going to be the one who's going to be going through and installing our new battery backup system. Have you ever put in one of these systems before?
I have put one in, and it seemed to be a very easy install compared to a lot of other systems that I put in. So today I think everything's going to be pretty quick, and we're going to do the whole setup and then go over everything and kind of make sure everything works well.
So here we are in the basement. Chris did a really nice clean job in the install. The primary and backup pump have been installed. Here's your battery box, your charger, and your user interface. Sitting next to the pit, this was the pump that Chris had replaced. What was put in there was a Liberty Pumps 237. It's an aluminum pump that's gonna hold up to corrosion a lot better and last a lot longer in that pit and look a lot cleaner when it is come time to replace that.
A lot of families nowadays have a smart home, and we would like to have a system that we can access from our phone. And the fact that Liberty Pumps has an app called Night Eye, where we can see the status of the pump, the status of the backup sump pump, it does it a lot easier for us. That we're traveling, we might be out of the house, we can check the status of our pump and the sump pump. If there's any issues, we can access it from the app and go from there.
This is our next big step, being homeowners for the first time. And so I think we feel really good about that we're doing everything we can to protect this purchase and make this experience the best that it can be for us.
To learn more about Liberty Pumps and what they can do to transform and improve your home or business, visit libertypumps.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.